So Anthropic has created an official SDK for Model Context Protocol. And I'm going to talk about the Python SDK, and I think there's also one available for Java. I think there's one for TypeScript. There's one for Go. They've created it from multiple different languages, but it's an official software development kit that allows you to build MCP-compatible tools. So it allows you to build these tools without really getting into the details of how the actual protocol works, which is really just a powerful thing that you're going to want to know how to do. So in this case, with the mcp-python SDK, it's a Python interface for defining tools, inputs, and responses. So it allows tools to be run locally or on a server with the LLM. So it helps integrate these AI tools into secure environments. So anytime you need to build your own tool, you would use the SDK from Python. Then what I'm going to say you would do is use a tool like Cursor and Windsurf that because the Python MCP, because the SDK is so well documented that AI is really good at vibe coding these tools. So I think a lot of what you will be doing in a corporate environment with artificial intelligence is building tools with these custom SDKs. And you're going to find as you start to use it exactly how powerful these software development kits can be.